Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to install Adobe Acrobat Reader. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. Go to the official Adobe Acrobat Reader download page. On the download page, Adobe may offer optional software. If you don't want to install any extra programs, uncheck those optional offers. Then click the Download Acrobat Reader button. Wait for the installer to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. The installer will automatically download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After the installation is complete, click Finish or Open. Adobe Acrobat Reader will launch automatically. You can now open and view PDF files on your computer. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.